$32 million is going toward one of Louisville's biggest problems, affordable housing.
WLKY's Alexis Matthews explains how several local organizations will use the money to continue fighting homelessness.
For the next round of American Rescue Plan dollars, Louisville leaders say they're putting their funds where their values are. And this $32 million is another step to address the Metro's housing crisis.
If you don't have a place to call home, a permanent place to call home, a sustainable place to call home, a consistent place to call home, you're the least safe person in the city of Louisville.
With a shortage of nearly 30,000 homes in Louisville, unhoused residents are vulnerable to crime, substance abuse, human trafficking, and negative health impacts. But being on the streets, advocates say, is also deprivation of a human right.
It is the first thing that we need to meet all the other basic needs in order to learn, to grow, to be physically and mentally well. People need housing. On Wednesday, $32 million of federal ARP funds was allocated to meet that need. And Mayor Greg Fisher says $100 million of the $388 the city received has gone to housing and homeless mitigation.
It's a moral imperative that we do this. It's also an economic imperative. It's just these are our brothers and sisters, sons and daughters. We've got to be there to help.
The funds will back housing projects for 5 local organizations: Volunteers of America, Wellspring, House of Ruth, Choices for Being, and St. John Center. Rayshan Martin, executive director for the center on Muhammad Ali Boulevard, says the nonprofit is using their $17.5 million to build Sheehan Landing, a first-of-its-kind permanent housing facility. Set to break ground next year, it'll feature 80 one-bedroom units, wraparound services, and a 24-hour medical staff on site.
We're just really excited to bring a model to the city, a model of supportive housing that we know will make a difference. It will have a transformative effect on the people that we serve, but on the community as a whole.
Leaders note that $32 million is not a problem solver, but any effort to improve lives is a step in the right direction.
It's a happy day that we can get started on a problem that's much bigger, but it's better than not getting started at all.
In Louisville, Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.